Lumer, Surabayan. Jeff. Sana manloloko. Tayo pa dito kasi doon. Yan ito. Ang nandos pa makasakit siya. Tapos na ba? Jeff, sabi, Jeff, punta mamaya sabi na. Ha? Thank you lang ngayon. Awin! Awin! Awin, sino ba nakatawa mo? Awin! Mamaya! Awin! Nagkakit ba? Nagkakit ka? Tama ba? Awin, mamaya ha?
Mamaya! Warto, kay buko naman dyan!
Ay, mamaya, papakuha Ruby ha? Pangalit ha? Boy, lahat ng Ruby ha? Mamaya ha? Nay! Nag-graduate na ako, paano ba yan? Marpila na Congrats, awa ng Diyos. Bibigyan tayo yan eh. Mayon? Saan? Hanay ka na wala? Hanay ka na wala ka mo? Bata kayo.
Ay, wala pa.
Parang napagkita.
in this 2004 school year-end celebration of the 22nd commencement exercises of Margondon National High School. To start with, and allegiance to be led by First Honorable Mention, Tyron John A. Angeles.
Namamangha kami sa hiwaga ng pag-ibig mo, Panginoong Jesus. At sa iyo, magdakilahay, buong puso akong baba namin ang binubuo ang aming mga
paglingap mo sa amin. Balutan mo po kami ng iyong banal na dugo at ang presensya mo ang patuloy na manguna. Pagpalain mo po kaming lahat sa pagtahak sa isang bagong simula. Naway maipakita namin sa aming buhay na kami ay sumasa iyo sa isip, sa salita at sa gawa. Ikaw na nagbibigay liwanag sa buhay ng tao. Kami naway matulad sa iyo na nagsilbing mumunti ng liwanag sa buhay ng aming kapwa. Maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal na ipinakita mo sa amin at lalo na po sa mga magsisipagtapos sa pamamagitan ng kanilang mga magulang, sa paghuhubog ng kanilang mga guro, at sa pakikipagtulungan ng kanilang mga kamag-aral. Ang pagkakataon pong ito na walang input ninyong pinagkaloob sa amin ay magsisilbing tanda ng napakarami at mahalagang biyaya mo sa amin. Naway ipabatid mo sa lahat ng magsisipagtapos na ang karunungang kanilang makakamtan sa ngayon ay maging pundasyon nila sa tugatog ng tagumpay para sa kanilang kinabukasan. Salamat po Panginoon at pinakinggan mo ang lahat ng aming panalangin. Patuloy na may panahon at may plano ka sa lahat ng bagay sa aming buhay. Salamat at iyong hangad ang pinakamabuti sa amin. At salamat po dahil ang panahon mo sa pagtugon sa aming
tungkulin ng aking paaralan. Tutuparin ko ang mga tungkulin ng isang mamamayang naglilingkod, nag-aaral at nagdarasal ng buong katapatan. Inaalay ko ang aking buhay.
Mr. Roberta A. Mendoza, to all our industrious teachers, patient parents, fellow graduates, friends, a pleasant afternoon. We have almost come to an end and closed one of the best chapters of our lives. A chapter which has opened new doors for great experiences. A chapter which has taught us that education is one of the main ingredients of personal growth and mankind success. Our parents always told us that there's nothing that they can give us but education. It's the best inheritance we need. Education should go hand in hand with its moral values. That's why we are also taught of how important such values are. Education is not only for the mind, but also for the heart and spirit as well. Our country's expectations are higher for their duties. They never ask us to be the leader nor the best. They ask only that we try, not to be back when faced with trials and challenges. It should be a lesson that we should learn and benefit from. Educating ourselves will make this.
To our guests at the presidential table, on the stage, to the parents, to my dear teachers, graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. To highlight this occasion and to really feel the significance of the moment, I am to introduce to you a person, Maragondon Cavite, and presently residing at Lopez Subdivision, Nay, Cavite. She was born on December 1st, 1964, by her loving parents, Juana Bersamina and Angelino Bersamina, who has passed away already. She finished her elementary schooling at Kaputakan Elementary School, Maragondon, Cavite, in 1976, 1977. Then in 1980, 1981, she finished her secondary education at Bukal Barangay High School, Poblacion Annex, Maragondon, Cavite. Major in Filipino, minor in English in 1984, 1985. She also studied at Philippine Normal College, Manila, now Philippine Normal University, where she earned 24 units in Master of Arts in Language Teaching. That was in 19...
To my fellow worker in the Division Mathematics Supervisor, Dr. Soledad I. Paliera. To our First Lady of Maragondon, si Mrs. Andaman. To our President, sa mga magulang, sa mga mag-aaral, sa mga kapwa ko mag-aaral na nakikita ko ngayon, my deepest thanks to our principal for inviting me here today. It is indeed an honor for me to inspire our graduates, and the fact that you have seen me fit to be your guest of honor is an act which I cherish and long remember. 20 ang magiging dahilan upang tayong lahat ay umunlad at magtagumpay. Education is a gift. Treasure it. Embrace it. Don't take your studies for granted. Maybe at this point, you cannot appreciate the importance or significance of algebra, or physics, or chemistry, or Filipino, or English in your life. But one day when you finally get a job, then you'll understand their purpose. Who knows? Maybe some of you would become engineers, architects, chemists, physicists, broadcaster, or a senator, or a president. Without your teachers to guide you, college professors think differently, from your high school teachers. They believe that students will only survive college life through self-discipline, resourcefulness, initiative, and independence. If you are used to relying on friends the way you are doing it today, and classmates for help in your studies, then you might have a difficult time adjusting to the new life ahead of you. You cannot avoid the fact that most of you will part ways when you graduate from high school. Maybe some of you will still be together in college, but you will get to meet a whole new set of people every semester. You would have to get along with people from all walks of life. But the time comes, don't forget the things that your teachers have taught you and the values that your parents have lovingly shared with position. Thank you. And give you a better standard of living. In today's world, where industries need competent manpower, employers rely on people with excellent educational background. Companies nowadays don't just hire people because they are college graduates at ng mga magulang na magsisipagtapos. Hinihiling ko po na lahat ng guro ay hinihiling pong tumayo. Palakpakan po natin ang mga guro na nagsilbing gabay para kayo ay magkaroon ng kaalaman at karunungan tahak sa landas ng buhay. Maraming pong salamat. Ngayon naman ay inaayahan kong tumayo ang ating mga magsisipagtapos. Palakpakan po natin silang lahat. Sapagkat kung hindi sa kanilang pagsusumika, kung hindi sa kanilang pagtsatsaga, kahit po tayo ay nagpapaaral at tayo ay nagtuturo, maraming salamat po, Ma'am Mercado, sa iyong napakagandang mensahe. May we request our guest speaker to remain standing to receive the plaque of appreciation to be awarded by our principal, assisted by our guidance counselor.
Basahin ko muna po ang nilalaman ng ating ipagkakaloob na plaque of appreciation. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 4, Division of Cavite, Maragondon National High School, Maragondon, Cavite, presents this plaque of appreciation to Mrs. Elpidia L.P.D. Bergano, Division Education Supervisor 1 in Filipino Secondary Level, in grateful appreciation of her inspiring message to the graduating class of 2004 as commencement guest speaker on the 22nd commencement exercises for her commitment and dedication to education as exemplified by her role on the youth and nation building. Given this 30th day of March 2004 at Maragondon, Cavite. Signed, yours truly, Principal 2, Dr. Yolanda B. Carpina, PhD, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent. Also signed by Dr. Arabella A. Ramos, another Assistant Schools Division Superintendent. And, of course, duly signed by Dr. Almabelia O. Bautista, PhD, Schools Division Superintendent of the Division of Cavite.
Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga kapatita, the future Doctor of Education, Mrs. Elpidia Bernalina Mercado. Thank you po for Solidad ay Palyan.
To our most respected Reverend Supervisor of the West Unit for Secondary Level, Dr. Soledad, and 143 girls. With a total of 249 graduates of Maragondon National High School, school year 2003 and 2004. All of them, Madam, have completed the requirements for graduation prescribed by the Department of Education. Under the basic education curriculum, we pronounce them graduates this afternoon.
Good afternoon and happy afternoon to all. By virtue of the power vested upon me by the school's division superintendent, Dr. Alma Delia O. Bautista, as education supervisor of the Department of Education, attested by your principal, Mr. Roberto Mendoza, for the school year 2003-2004, that you have religiously completed the basic education curriculum for this school year 2003-2004, as I have said before. I now confirm you as graduates. Congratulations.
Raquel Marcia O. Pareha Desiree C. Villa Berner Emily Grace Green.
Thank you, Mr. De Leon. Anshalo Michael Andrew P. Angeles Janelle S. Kalapa Nino Valentina P. Cuenco Alvin D. Vida Anthony De la Cruz Edward P. De la Cruz Jeffrey L. Mel A. Caballos Ulmar A. Cuenca Gio B. Angel Ryan S. Roberto O.
Ay, naman tumalab.
Primero John Ray C. Sevilla John Eric D. Sobrero Junior S. Ibanez Bo S. Amir Michelle P. Arata Delian D. Michelle Jessa S. Delima Jessa Y. Now Efrain R. Now Evangeline R. Delio Arcelito N. Bersalina Jefferson B. De la Cruz Jomar N. Rivera Jerry S. Jonai Jefferson L. Ryan Roland Kalangit Jason Sarmiento Junior Cesar C.
Ako po si Silvita Gomez. Garita po.
Caldera June Martin Solomon Santa Maria Alexius L. Bokok Ernie Torres Romilo C.
Dapat ikaw Pasko sa Southern Seminary. Mabuhay ang lahat.
Jan Sigfred D. Angeles Jessica Gray. Antinolos Miriam. Magdilia Marian Lee.
Gonzalo Eloise. Juanito Maricardi. Is no other than Janai J.Ann. The fifth honorable mention goes to the fourth honorable mention is no other than Joanna. The third honorable mention is these are the members of the Cream of the Crop. The second honorable mention is JBS Hachel. Among the 8 the class 2004 salutatorian received is the silver medal. Those are donated by the school administration office. Okay. Next, we are having our special awards. Sama also is the best in conduct.
Tyron. Presidential Leadership Award is hereby presented. Palas, Manila. Hindi po ito Malacanang. Ngayon po ay pinibigay signed by our President, Honorable Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Another certificate will be MYL, pangalawang punong bayan ng lungsod ng Quezon. At pinirmahin din po ng kinatawan ng MMYL.
We also would like to call on Ms. Janet Ember Davis for another award of youth leadership excellence.
To John Art Lloyd M. Santiago. In recognition of exemplary performance in athletics, siya po yung ating naging representative sa provincial meet na nagdaan. Okay? Having exhibited outstanding. Palakpak po naman.
Malimban. At sa kabataan sector po ang ating representative from JC, si Mary Ann Avila. Okay. In behalf of Mayor Monte Andaman, I would like to convey my sincerest congratulations to all the graduates and all present here this afternoon. A blessed good afternoon. As I read your evaluation, you have a theme for this graduation, a theme for education for a strong republic, laying a solid foundation. This implies that education is a source of empowerment among the youth, especially teenagers like you, and fortitude you have, will lead you to attain success, and that serves as a solid foundation. And from that, you are able to develop greater accomplishments, that is to become a building block in forming an excellent community, and eventually forming a strong republic. As we all know, high school or secondary years are the stage of confusion, exploration, and uncontrollable energy. Your teachers, as your parents in the school, emphasize a program that will enhance your maturity, creativity, skills, and intelligence. Henceforth, from this day forward, you have to rely on your own resources, coupled with the knowledge you gain and experience you have acquired. Pasasalamatan, unang-una po sa ating nakilang Diyos, sa mga guro na walang pagod na sumusubaybay at magyagang nagtuturo para makamit ang diploma ninyong nilipid. Lalo-lalo na sa mga magulang. Palakpakan po natin muna ang ating mga magulang. Saludo po kami lahat sa inyo. Kay tatay, kay nanay, na lubhang nagsakripisyo para may taguyod ang inyong pag-aaral. Pasalamatan po natin mga bata ang ating magulang. Kung hindi dahil sa kanila, malamang
lagi namin ipagkaisa sa atin, lalo-lalo na sa PPA, si Ginoong Roberto A. Mendoza. Sa ating panauhin din, na si Mary Ann Avila, ang representative po ng JP. Sa mga magulang, guro, at mga magsisipagtapos,
Nag-graduate sa Marabunta National High School, school year 2003-2004. And the honorably Becky speaking, certifies in divine creator, the counter and fellow beings, so help me God.
Graduate, please remain standing. At this very moment, I would like to leave this message to you. Please do not stop from dreaming. Continue to pursue your education. Because in education, your abilities and talents will be developed. And going through that in the near future, you will be a leader, not only in your community, but in our country as well. Congratulations. Parents, we will request our parents to please rise and proceed to your sons and daughters. Hinahiya ko po ang mga magulang tumagili sa ating mga anak. Graduate is about earning kasami upang maligay ang aking mga pangangailangan. Hindi lamang material, kundi magiging mahal, spiritual, at lahat-lahat na. Ngayon, ako'y malaki na. Sinarihan pa rin kayo sa walang sawang pagdamay, pagsusuporta, at pagsunawa sa akin. Ngunit ilang ulit ko na ba kayong sa mga ay hindi lang naibigay sa mga katagawin natin na mga
Drama yung graduation.
Nay, pasensya na kayo, wala akong sabi.
Una mo si Ate Lila.
at madama ang nalalaman mo sa aking buhay. At ang bulaklak
Dapat kasi
ay ang ay o ay
ako talaga sila.
ang siyang tanda ng buong pagmamahal at pagpapasalamat sa lahat ng ginawa niyo sa akin. Kayo ang buhay sa akin ng Diyos.
Ilaw. 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 Ilaw lang. Nansi siya kuya. Ang katabi namin.